This is the one I just made. That's the top. I wanted to show you some I'd made before. This is 14 karat gold plate. So is this. This was years ago. These I held on to them because I really liked them. I have a bracelet laying there. Oh, okay. This is the one I was trying to do. I don't know. I was way off on remembering how to do that. Something like that. That one I really like. That one turned out pretty much perfect. Yeah. And then this little one. I liked it. So I hung on to it. But, I mean, this one ain't bad. I want that to be the top, but it ain't. I was just going to show you what I'd made before. I've got some more around in a box. It's over there on the shelf. Okay. I'll talk to you later. Y'all take care. Bye-bye.